Now see exercise 8.2. See question number 1. Increase 70 by 7%, 1a. Now how you have to do it? 70 by 7%. At first, since it is increase, we will write increase equals to, at first we will find out 7% of 70. Now 7% means 7 by 100 into 70. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So more cancellation is not possible. So 7 7s are 49 by 10. So it becomes 4.9. Okay. Now since it is increased value will be 70, the original number 70 plus 4.9 gives us 74.9. Okay. Similarly 60 by 3%. So at first we'll write increase equals to 3% of 60 we'll find out. Now 3% of 60 means 3 by 100 into 60. So after cancellation we get 9 by 5. When we divide it becomes 1.8. Now the increased value will be 60 plus 1.8 gives us 61.8. Similarly 1D is also of the same type. Okay. And 1H is also of the same type. Let's come to question number 2. Question number 2, it's given decrease. Number B, 140 by 35%. Now 140 by 35%, since the question is given decrease, so we'll write decrease equals to, at first we'll find out 35% of 140. So 35% means 35 by 100 into 140. So after cancellation our final answer is 49. Therefore decreased value will be, now from 140 you have to subtract 49 here. Since it is decrease, you have to subtract. In case of increase it will be plus, in decrease it will be minus. Always remember this. Okay, so 140 minus 49 will give us 91. Again 90 by 2 1 by 3%. So at first we'll find out 2 1 by 3% of 90. It becomes 7 by 3% of 90. So 7 by 3 by 100 equals to 90. So next we are bringing the 100 to the top, so it becomes 10 by 3 into 1 by 100 into 90. After cancellation we get 21 by 10, so it becomes 2.1. Therefore decreased value will be 90 minus 2.1 equals to 87.9. So question number 2, F and H is also of the same type. Come to question number 3. Find the number which when increased by, number B, 0.4% becomes 753. Okay. Now you have to find a number which when you increase by 0.4%, after that number becomes 753. Okay. So let the number be x. So increase of x we will find out. Increase equal to 0.4% of x. So 0.4 becomes 4 by 10 by 100 into x. So 4 by 1000 into x. So after cancellation it becomes 2x by 500. Okay. Therefore increased value will be, our original number we have taken to be x plus the increased value whatever we got, 2x by 500. So we'll do the LCM, then we get 502 x by 500. Now according to question, 502 x by 500 equals to 753. This number, this fraction whatever we got, this equals to that number. Okay. Therefore we'll take the 500 to that side, so it becomes into 502x equals to 753 into 500. Then we'll take 502 to that side, so it becomes divided. So after all the cancellation the value of x is 750. Alright. Number C, you see 12% becomes 168. Same thing, let the number be x. So we'll find out the increase, 12% of x. So after cancellation we get 3x by 25. Therefore increased number is x plus 3x by 25. So after LCM we get 20x by 25. According to question, 28x by 25 equals to 168. So same thing, we'll take the 25 to this side, becomes into. So then we'll take the 28 to that side, so it becomes divided. So after cancellation our final answer is 150. Next you see question number 4. Find the number which when decreased by 10% becomes 81. Alright. Now 10% becomes 81. Let the number be x. So same thing, we'll find the decreased value. 10% of x we'll find out. So after that it becomes 10 by 100 into x. After cancellation it becomes x by 10. Therefore decreased number will be x minus x by 10. So after finding out the LCM, our final answer is 9x by 10. Now according to question, 9x by 10 equals to 81. It's already given in the question. So same thing, we'll transfer the 10 to that side, so it becomes 81 into 10. Then we'll transfer the 9 to that side, so it becomes 81 into 10 by 9. So our final answer is 90. Question number 5, you see what is given. By what number must the given number be multiplied to increase the number by 10%? Okay. Now let the number be x. Increase in its value will be 10% of x. So 10 by 100 into x. So ultimately after cancellation it becomes x by 10. Therefore increased value is x plus x by 10. So it becomes 11x by 10. So the number must be multiplied by 11 by 10, because x is the number we have considered. So we will not write here x, except x, whatever is there, that we will write. Okay. Next comes question number 6. By what number must the given number be multiplied to decrease the number by 20%? Same, we'll consider the number to be x. Decrease in its value will be 20% of x. At first we'll find out. So it becomes 1x by 5. Therefore the decreased value will be x minus 1x by 5. So it becomes 4x by 5. So the number must be multiplied by 4 by 5. Now here always remember, decrease means you have to minus. Always remember this. And increase will always be plus. See question number 9. On decreasing the price of TV by 12%, the price becomes 44,000. What was the original price of the TV? Okay, let the original price be x. So decrease, we'll find out 12% of x. It becomes 3x by 25. So therefore decreased number will be x minus 3x by 25. It becomes 22x by 25. According to question, 22x by 25 equals to 44,000. So after all of the cancellation we get 50,000. Okay.